Okay guys, I'm on a mission. That's my mom's map. I am over here and I need to get there to the vending machine. My mom wants a snack, but we're gonna have to try to figure this out. Okay, how do you turn it around? Oh man. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. Yes, okay, we need to head over there, I guess. Let's see the map. Okay, let's read it. I am, so from the beginning, I am here. Okay, go like this. And then, it's right like that. And then I go straight. Still going straight. It's creepy. I had to change in my pockets. Take the stairs.
¿Qué necesitaba?
¿Sabes que cambia la oficina de pizarrón?
Con
La
permiso.
doctora está aquí.
Ajá.
Parece que se cambió ahí cerca del hospital.
Oh man, I don't know how to get back. Okay, I'm taking the stairs. Where is that? Oh, this way. Okay, in this way. Yeah. Oh gosh, I have to pee. Okay, so it's mucking.
What, they get one down?
So there's people. There's people. They're gonna think I'm weird. I'm talking to myself or talking to this thing. Hey, I found the vending machine.
Where did you get the wig? Did you buy it? What? Yes, the wig? Yeah. Yes,
Okay, there's a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Okay. She wants the Snickers ice cream. Okay, we're gonna get that. How much is it? 136. Well, can you see it? Yeah. 136. 150. Okay. Get 150. We're gonna get 150. There's 75. Where do you put it? Yay. Oh no, my map. No, ow. At least I got this. Need my map. I will come back later for something now that I know where it is. Okay.
What are you, like, I had no time.
Okay, she said I could take the elevator, so let's try this. I don't know my way. That was scary. I don't want to use that one. I want to go up. Scary. I don't want to use that one. See? I don't want to. It's so scary looking. Okay. Scary. I don't know. I just am. Why? Scary in here. Look at you. Oh, okay. We're going to number 2? I'm scared.
Did not move?
I don't know. Where am I on? Oh.
It's definitely far from this thing.
Is this the second one? Yeah. Okay. Oh man, I'm lost. What? This sucks, man. Okay, let's go this way. Well, I know that the number is 214, I believe. 216. One of those. Okay, I see 210. Oh man, I'm scared. Oh, no. Oh, man. Okay, let's go the other way. Ah, there's a restroom. I needed to pee. Like, there it is. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna try and use the elevator again. Let's go back down because I don't know where I'm going. Or, aha. I don't know what that says. Okay, we're gonna use the elevator again. Let's go down. Please open the nice one, not the scary one. Come on, please open. I'm getting scared. Please don't. I can hear that one opening. I don't want it to open. That one's the scary one. That one's the cool one. I'm scared. And this ice cream is melting in my hand. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Okay, we're back in the scary one. I hope nothing happens. It smells like cigarette in here. Huh? Going down. Whew. Okay, where am I? Man, I'm lost. Okay. Yeah. I believe I know where I'm going now. Okay, so I still have the map. I'm gonna be following that map back. I'm scared. That's weird. This is pretty. Up the stairs. Went up the stairs. Man, I got scared in the elevator because it was scary. Just to go get a freaking ice cream. Snickers ice cream for my mom. Man, Mom, if you're watching this, you don't know what I just went through. Ah, I found it. Yay. Back where we started. I got lost and I got scared in the elevator. Yeah.